Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Akanksha. I hope you have watched my previous video on beauty cubes, how to fight with acne and skin pigmentation. If you have still not seen it, please go do watch it. I'll share the link in the description below. So today I'm gonna tell you all a pranayam technique called Ujjayi breath that I have recently learned, and it has helped me a lot in fighting with stress and fighting with anxiety issues and relaxing my both body and my mind. So I'm gonna share it in 3 simple steps. First, I'm gonna tell it what exactly is Ujjayi breath. Then we will practice together how to do Ujjayi breath, and then last I'm gonna tell you about the benefits of Ujjayi breath. So without further ado, let's get started. What exactly is Ujjayi breath? So Ujjayi term comes from the word Jaya, which means victory. So it is also referred as victory breath. We also call it as ocean breath because of the sound it creates when the air passes through the throat and our lungs. So we call it both victory breath and ocean breath. So first of all, let's sit in a comfortable position on a mat or where you feel that your back can be straight and you feel relaxed while doing it. You can sit in Sukhasana the way I'm sitting here right now. Let's start with taking 2 deep breaths before starting our Ujjayi breath. First, we will learn how to do Ujjayi through our mouth, and then we can practice it through nose. So you have to imagine that there is a glass in front of you and you have to fog it. So inhale and exhale in the form that you have to fog the mirror or the glass in front of you. Inhale, exhale. Let's repeat it again. Inhale, exhale. You can feel that the air is passing through your throat coming from your lungs, and you can feel that air passage coming through your throat. Now we will practice it through our nose. So let's start. Inhale, exhale. Repeat again. Inhale, exhale. Let's do it one more time. Inhale, and you should feel that the air is coming from the back of your throat. Exhale. You can practice it daily in the morning and start with doing it 10 breaths at a time, and then you can increase the number of your breaths once you become good at the Ujjayi breathing technique. Talking about the benefits of Ujjayi breath, it has ample number of benefits. First of all, it helps in fighting with stress, reduces the anxiety levels, it helps in calming down your mind, it regulates the heat inside your body because the air that passes through your lungs generates internal body heat. So it regulates better your BP, it generates better sleep. So overall, Ujjayi breath is really helpful. So this was it about Ujjayi Pranayam. I hope you liked it. Please do practice it at your home because currently we all are in lockdown and we have enough time to give to our body and mind. And please practice it and share your experience in the comment section below. Please like and subscribe my channel, share it with your friends, and I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, be safe, keep glowing. Bye bye.